For your time. Hey, Mr. Dankwa, yes, you are clearly head. Just say, to opening, that's a 21. So, the last, I did not you got my day, but please forget this. Please. This one is for my wife. Hey, happy birthday for me, please. You need to be Australian. Happy birthday. Yeah, you need to be. Say, but I am no one. I'm off. If you then I'm saying, wait, okay. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong now. Everything's working. You're working now. It's working 24/7. Don't try. I African was no white man. Sir, what's there? No. And I'm talking too much. Now opening channel. Ask me, I saw PK. So, and look, one answer on also. We don't swap it, you know. As you see, Ghana say. Yadwin bone ba ko wait mu o fie na ho siama offe na wo pia ba be hwese da binya sakra obia ompuma no offe etene kaka wa hwa bon chere se ho na tuba na ho and no kro me say you are umita na nya for you go to be sure maza hwan general light of o ya kra na oni para kan yesi so a udi ya wo ko mamu say ade na be kan ye be wa ade ni eduma ni edumi na be eduma ni okay, maminya be something could be na make am be ayi say no na me fun bia me tika mu me fun bia me fidie no na photo aba me run check other stations now say ebi no mo bonyum kikire na am say aba na na me to chill na mo go chill bi nyum ne e da bi me tie chill na ba what is that for now no mun ka say even the shade they were listening no I understand them. Oh, it's very because sometimes baby we are so attached to her say a call of Ghana say that microphone you go for no say I was say EPA for on FM for because e be noise go ka enya sam get wrong am see area be kroma here fan one na we say ye dede we the choga yeah na for ye share bia o say no mo kasa adwuma enye dede eni choga ha dream bebre adwuma ba say ya charge do ya no ko obani no be story papa do anim na o twan akofa oh say na ya e ma tie 40 ko ye ntina ka oh okay ndo twan okay we je for band o ma badada ya be ye na mum de omu no say obi bisa question BCC na that was the next thing and I coming back obisa says so how do we get the response from the counselor ye ne counselor kasa ene
confessions wo de ohwe time it is year 5 when you cry ya based on way said be on be nyame ya adom a next week and the questions na ba ni na no ho anuye na ho akwankyere ni na no ya de bebre on why team patcho mo stay tune nyame ya adom a next week Tuesday ya be hwe ne aron ni na bibia to
na emma fonti ase so say court ensem we course no
no so
mu nyame ya adom enne e bo no nkron
okay.
Oh, no, see, I can say 1 year the people by name. No,
integrities.
Yes, details.
Lawyer Yankasati. It's a brofo kind of court to the one chance in your when you say about a recent fickle. And Yama.
The open proceedings in the hill. Because I am a newspaper, but I'm not using not possible. And Bakuya is the same thing. Now, you should be crying life for that.
So,
when you're dad, now should be so I am not unim. So, Ebu are near money bit me bar. Eh, not afford so. It no to me a jot to later say if we lawyers ni bi chechi mo say ti say we no say na tie ha na wo de asua bi
one way to obefa nipa ni bi ho abufu a enye ne kwaso lawyer for no odwuma mo ye ebi won mo be hye da ye ne me bia wo de be hye abufu kra mo waka nkwase mo court
still adi nyina wo mstela adi nyina ko
obani bafu boni na wo
obani
bafu boni na we ani ebo ne wo
say NSA na opani onu say we hye say de na mami din na wo ya won ye say onsusun run still na no ojina so den oberun aka hono eno mu say sa no ene sa ne ma bi atisa
ebe ha wo de atwen no si aka se ebo ne no program no netie kwaku voice na ready bo aya ma mintie bi
refor de no
so for na ka
okay all right entie en ko
Musu we for mo hwam we sa ne ma na mo ye no amo David ngura mu na mo nisi ye pedro dia ashimura baby we for ese baby omo nigu eho ngura mfuda so mo bi ni asido say ye de yo baby o meni asibie wo mfu adan ehu
me obi sabe no papa no so ba obi sabe say ka fa choko so no grab me ya scientist
kwa fu wo idea bi say ye papa so fu kai e no grab obi say bi o pro mampo e ba bi akrofo ija o manan e ho ntimi mfu so wo pesa o say
sabe ogu a lunch no okra on point obi so have na sopa area so nti ne kan me de kaka am from fanche but no kure wo mu say enye sabe wifo no nko a bia eno no ye frɛ no anenefo bia anenefo bia no ho ntam fusa what you say
adentina etisa
akiri bu kakra na eyi public toilet no or na ho no befufu ba pa se esopa no ye cement so kra na entimi mfu
ampata ma yiso atonko kra
enti die na mai ba no sa nkyire mu
menye theology but the woman is adni sheet e wo mu no engura so mpe sheet
e bo hwe
what you say
you got them say fertilizer
David one fertilizer
ena ade no so no asere bedwuro na di kan adi se mo na wie da
what you say
you just so crowd
na say eyi na ntwe die yi say emu o hye pa
ah uche ba ebi wa ko ani ni tue say ni a chenchen but asiye no na
uko a park so say tom ko we dasi baby a onye ebepupu agu no odo pa ya hwe say eho ni nyina ahye eda ho cha uko na eho nsinsan ni nyina ahye
is a heat na de buy
heat ni ntia
baba do so say dia mo de na acid hom enti ni pa
dia anga sapa kra opa ni mfichire o baby onye na adwen say onom hwe na
onse wan
Bagu
I say ti openia na yebo ayi for no we for no dimbo ni bi ho enye fa
na make catch say mine say what say mo kan bibifa we for one na ni buafu pa on pesa de na
amafo say bi when adensa when you na muso bi kokun kakraka bi o ba bia we for there
o ya zo we ni na
ye kan obi onom hwe da
adwene obedi no
dabi ayi
na jana ewu
WC o ko na nsuo bi anta ho
Jai say we are on audio.
Eh, na we cost for process. Cuz we go mo.
Obo man. Ya mu nyan say bibia na mu dey say we for.
Ah, we cost school.
Ana make eh.
Say be pie pie say we for.
So we dey we for dey.
We are na enye we ni bia na.
Mo say we din but.
Omo dey na ya na more din.
Oh, untwa so. Emi enkwa se foforo so. E dey asem ni.
Ezo to gusu kra nyam. Sagu ni komani dia na kuma se asante kotoko. O mati asem dede. Asem dede o mati.
Asa na abeko asante kotoko asem no. O kotoko dia e ya na wa menente suka.
Ende so abi kom na kwaifa.
E kwanta asante kotoko. Debi. E asante.
Ene kumase. Asante.
Kotoko no krapa. Kotoko.
Musician Ben boss say no. Yeah. If you say my name, put some respect on it.
Yeah.
Patwa.
That's a tawala na stombo.
Debi.
And
some respect on it.
I say next time when you say my name, put some respect on it.
Pan it. Some respect pan it.
Okay, let me put some respect on Kotoko.
Hey.
Kotoko. That's almost so quite my baby. As I permanently a one piece yedi. Kwaku a year team Savanten and your team Kitwa. I wore a year abuchimamu. Omona Omodo Montuma Amabo Kotoko Diano in the form of partnership. A quiet Kotoko first when Yasum for Swindy, a Mukrano, a bit of money penny be a free. Ako Jinim dear. Born him dear, you'll be free on a maha, and him dear general. The make us out here. Como be baba, young just obesity, tropical medicine, malaria, Yarabinia bruchri, and Dr. Cassia and Kazadi, Yena bruchri. Okay, so they make us out here. Who so really doctor and Amha, Yarabia, my book by a intimate your war, Professor Husa, and what Babis Yamunim dear. So could make out here. And he got to commit me alcohol, I got Jinim dear. And Tiafa Quine first coaching inside the money now. But the other woman crying said, Kotoko, you team no. Every bit to me free, I cost Savanten ho, a brano, Ako, and your Mako training. And it's time before a papa, where he has to for company 40 or Omania smart. Because Omania Savanten because they say no, or then Yana Sosa. Oh, do I already Ligana? On your back, or one home. I have got off for crowd movies and your problem about one home. But boy, now can't top 10 who crowd home. You, Medasi. It is how to folk young corporate team papa to say a beer. Real Madrid be, and now say Barcelona be, and now say friend is a crank from City Cry, Man City be, near fire home mom. Now almost so, I'm finding and my papa say Emra House of Folk. As I say, Kotoko Okwe, sat down for family, Bompire say a begina. Monko Yebi Biama, Obodi also Brunin Peroff, and Mobuni Ebu Funo and Cassette watching home. Sponsors are Bakoda, sponsor beat me back, only Mudia grass, sponsor say no, me and Yebi Moko, and yet Kotoko beat me back, so now your knee Yebi, I'm on Moko, where dear, one of my corner, or more when you now and Yebi and Cochon is a mountain because the deal is going to help Kotoko. We say Savantin said I have a say, and go for a bobo, and a corner Mujina, a Yadakoja, born one more parking in your papa. Kwakule make notice here. It's benefiting your Kotoko for her. Sabro from Kwara, no, this place looks like where cattle graze. Human beings don't play soccer. Yes,
this what?
The place looks like where cattle graze. Okay. I'm more. What else here? It's Kotoko never benefits of our. It's I'm funny 18.
I say, Momo dia on the bone. Say, Momo dia.
Now, but man, who do I have a picture?
Ah, picture near Bossable.
That's it. That's it. Having me to be part of the camera, I'm say, hey. Go from when you say, as you are, told to one.
I never couldn't go and Mukudio. I was supporters the stadium or then on you.
Now I support us.
Why didn't I bet phobia?
Support us on better my Hobiana.
Phobia.
If you want to see the vision of
Accra fingers, you will be now.
If you want to see the future of Accra House of Folk, oh, and crime, oh, Kumasia, after I told you to know, we say, the pictorial view of the Bobby Mine complex, no, and what board society.
Artistic impression.
Nina Kusiwa. Pictorial view, Nina, no one. What I say, Brofuna Bia, I know they're not sent you by their tomb, but Ude Busa Brofun from the bois, pictorial view of the my complex. No?
You can also call it rendering.
The rendering of the my academic complex.
Proper Ghana said the Ahoma so.
Yeah, so
who's the one who be catching another new camp of the two and baffle. A man to we switch English for basically two and baffle. So Utinas are post out. So Casano phone out to cry and as I was sharp. Utia, I am embarrassing. It's a talk for Atiasem there. Now,
Mamma, we in show once, and your first time, yes, our partnership even.
On a certain Real Madrid has to focus on Ibida. Oh, Ghana, yeah. What is the house of focus in Real Madrid about match or Ghana? And I'm saying, I'll give you the date. I'm now what you say. No, Tias, Crana, and Basso, Real Madrid. Oh, they say the house of focus, no, and name a Bobby, a for Quaso. You need Real Madrid a ball to play about Gaia Buni. Yes, I've been yes, and I will be on for walk. Oh, no, see a bed.
No one has all kind. Oh, kind.
Oh, you can offer. I will for walk. So, yeah, Benangas. When you were, I am say, I will be a cow, and as I will be a hand, a cow. And I'm sure for the council in issue of the canoe. I born out of what you go see my Oceana Yakano. A partnership now. You may see it to suffer. I want to see Krumha and Krumha say, House of Folk versus Real Madrid. Papa. Said Drew said, almost I want to. I'll bring you the details tomorrow. Kwakupa. Kwakuge, yeah, I see what free more Budumbura and what's an assembly. Yeah, video by 16. The name of the share video. No, what do you say, no? This thing for now, yeah, carnival. I mean, when the videos are that and password, we would have our Hassi. I'm just saying, the phone, your fair phone, yes, and to be a mess, I may find to a key for entry. Kwaku and the crowd woman say, I buy you already carry a video. I know the promote to Sa Carnivana. What I said, BBI free, and of course, you're free. Kwaku free. Just somebody better check, Sadano. I was just one was sort of twice as one tricky. Now when you see a catcher almost say, I'm going to truck you. Now what about you? They remember $100. $100 they say $1 in the board, but all the bagger is getting more and quickly when you're in the best of 583. 583. That's what
600 Ghana.
A new 600 Ghana crown. It's yes, I don't $100. What about you? It's Ampany and Palm video. Ah, because I know $1,000. There be $100. Ampany and Palm video. Ah, about way at Tuakea, Obia, we and Canasem Bebre, but what must be said. About way at Tuakea, what run Hunara. And a deja at Dasso, video know how a tear for the Kwaku make one baby, but a tear for the Omobia, and ye, the chair say, a Fidiana idea, man, and Yamedia, my be a pet also. Or Tuakea, or Tuakea. Netosu brims are one or two now. Not a one or two to a king anymore. Gay, we don't have it. Oh, nothing, you know. You know. Kwaku, also Macal's idea cover as I mean. There be any day nice see and I do a Prantobecas. Oh, Germany bar will be to us. Newsroom, I didn't. I did only say, Gan on the mass and yet say, Acosiano, or when I knew the old Tibiano, only access to Acosiano, unless problem, every Acosiano, I drop. Sakosha Bob your bar, Obija what you're adding, analysis. But Osako Kotoye, the hard game, and I say, Uyani Yamashin say, Osako Kotoye, and I can say, of course you have a boy chilling for ye. Now, when a man for say, oh, yes, I dear no. Now, boys, sleep over, whom you jump at my friend Sakwam from Sanka. Says I didn't the boys die. No, don't Miss Bell Casey, the take yes, I know where we are when do finger. Oh, my what yes, it is at the end but a bit of so can say, and yet, sir, something no for now, no come in. We are better. Okay, to us. I'm going to tell you, Obia send a message. Come, pay much in Mamia because we were say. Please, it was Ghana Blasters versus Real Madrid, which ended in 3-3 draw. The match was sanctioned by Kwame Nkrumah and the then sports minister. To Penia den Adema has of Real Madrid, a year, Blasters with Maboma as of Ghana. I will bring you the facts on tomorrow. Google. Me internet, but me Google number.
Anso tote.
Me tote go find. Odi ba ko ne brother de wagina di. Me de onyimi.
We grow has ni, Akuapem brother we has.
Bible say.
Me say Akuapem brother na de ba ono we has.
Bible say a prophet.
Ono so ware ye nche, otimi ni atro.
Bible say a prophet is not accepted in his own country. Yes, me no na wa me maka say de onyini no bi de abro na wagina di.
Say wo asema wo kan me nche ho aba ko.
Aya wo nya say house ni Real Madrid be bobo.
O apu. Na is o mo mba mo bro no mo hu mo amon mo bo. Enye muti pan ni om.
So na savant ye hu mo bo, say mo mra me sua bo bo.
Dabi.
Aya hu mo bo.
Hwe deal.
Ade o pon na betima ma savant.
Hwe deal no. Ye betima mo players. Ya. Ye tie academy na ye no mo ani wo ho. So ni mu ameka kire wo.
Kenya no kre. Hwe ni wa be ya ma savant obebo akeke.
Enye savantin.
O de emfa ho. Meka ni ye fresh de wan ka ho. Etinya de usizo. Ade na ho te sa. Kwaku the chance abayo no say naked light bi wo ho o see free stage so no tia so but ne ekiki ni nyamanfo say action no ogusu a wo ye de make kwaku say what ase because no why high power so wo ro ne ho light ni so ni musa no wo ye sa no amfo say e bia the same action no ogusu a wo ye because say or drop it down dead I didn't go to hospital you say onyankopon age ne kra afri ne nsam kwaku me de e mabunu na me tu amfo say ewi ase ye we ewi ase do bia kasi wi ase nya da wo boa sa wi ase obi nya jo se wi ase bi e wo ho abe da sen sa wi ase we da cause we bia so koru
ba boys ni bi so ya ba do say obi ni phone ko to na ko su ana se pepe se onya clear bi kasi
how dey kwai
udi ko fi ko dia na ko ende a o do fu yiso e ka say
aba yu yes ofri akwatia de ofri akwatia no abese akwo se budumbu mu ho aye friend broni adwa broni osabi broni kanidi ho ama broni the friend ama broni it ama broni they say they were free more it has been confirmed say or dead from the electrocution na course so it's
I didn't know be a trade aba na 1960s no boss match no
was it na the house of getting the bench house getting the
Mr. Shenyan house of asem no can match na ball
oh that's I 3 Real Madrid 3
last time na dey house of yimu dey na bra
I am so be ma ho me na so be ma ho okoko to what you can say atie for dem munya mu amunya yobi ya ya no mo ya
ka vie oh e ka vie
akwa be ko wia de odi ko sie no bizi ko wia ba o so de ba ko fa de na odi ko pa o brode say uni absec abi TV school absec no o school park no no ko twa brode na odi ko sie ye say kan nim tete no akofa ko na obi so kwatam ye na odi ba ko na chi odi a wonya yi obi ya yi a
na
wa ya yi kwaku me say na me tuma bunu for say na ma bebre ya ya friend Nije na ya na nya Nije sa say obenom nsa aboroso say wo ji wani it's a lie you are only suffering
wa na ka say
I mean can so mo no nsa na kwaku te say dey da no ye wo ayi Monte Carlo wi na wo ji wani no
o ka chichi mu obi anko ka say makono mo nsa
da bi me say na wo ji wani no ana say na nya Nije then how to say to the sense say buttons boy see me buttons sa na wani ko so no ya Nije eti bibia omo ye bia na ye omunya abotre abawe bi kwano da so bebre wonani so ne ma me ne papa nim se wa ba kra e be bobra da be bo abusu ene se wolde Anigye chi ahwere ne nkwa yankopon emfa ne kra onfa ensie yie ema no
amen
yo kwaku na ensem foforo mu no so no eye Arsenal fans Europa te uzo kopie mo ho nche na abroche football no so de sa wo be che wo mu a fans ne ye key fans need a keeper because they have a very organized fans they have means of contributing to the club and all that and almost so kasa yedjuma timi de no am ye bench player and Ghana han corner side no you so Twitter na san ma no e ba share me timi kra a reserve player but we dey lucky for him no fans no penasem na say how many Newcastle match do am ko boje say na we ya de no na fans ni nya pictures na almost circulate man for there you DP abrofu vita apate say uni ada ho a the last 20 a obi a na ye DP a say all shine enko so sad say they only love you when you play well they make what you say if you score the goals for them if you play with your heart for them that is where the fans will love you. They see a blaster, I love you quite bring your love back. It got to a point the players were playing nothing. Almost Bob was and
players.
I didn't be higher has it. Timothy, I am number 3. No players, they say my raising news on Babeka. I'm not from war. News areas in there. I'm going to go for a team for me. Velugani is not gay. Velugani has got a new team for Madame Kwaku. the American yan say body year and Uncle or
yeah.
So bring the love back in the crown. I dear Bacquas say, yeah, last time I see a guy bribe, yeah, for players, papa, papa, the love will come. Kwaku, Ushe, those days are idea be playing watching, nay, dear Bintia. At the end of the day, they will give you a very bright day.
Yeah.
You'll be proud to be a Ghanaian. Into Black Star, bring back the love, no? You almost so they should do their work well, then the love will automatically come. And just at Tawala Member Stadium, and they love Beba. And yet Stoneborough Member Stadium and love Beba. When the players are really playing well, we will fall in love with them and we will follow them everywhere they go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mami fa we na.
It's been trying one ask me ko.
Trying kakra.
Okay, been trying.
Asemo.
But jam ba ku mi no bi agumu ansa won.
And then they said they had 9 and they easy.
But so as I said here 40 as I say we are not in normal time.
Yeah.
We are not in normal time. It's about this time that's what I irrigated 5:30 me that's what I.
Mami wrong message bi wa asisi na. Tell Jerry I wanted to change the station, but my boss said if I don't stop it, 3 months deduction from my salary. Greetings to my boss, Gifty Odum, from Steven Fusuesiama, aka Sam 23. So please tell Jerry to beg for me. And then Madam Pacho, me deduction be on the salary man. Or person could change down because she and the madam say, oh man, cost on down yes, you no cause sana.
Obi radio, I don't have about 2 years here.
Oh my goodness, this is something else. Anyways, Yamfa Aslake say ma Royal Drinks, or see you go like them. And then your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail. I just say all the perfect flavors now we know ubinya EDF Royal Drinks no emu. So go on, feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you for just 2 cedis 50 pesos. We another quality product if Casa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open do no phrase 0262 351 251 and 0272 133 373. Afe MasterCard or no any the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Osimhen Kancho said, don't just watch it, leave it. What I say now, Ekai Shen said the first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. That's what ignites passion. Na bibi any now MasterCard and so the any baby say ujinemu any tia no abomodena na also do ajimbi. Nokia NNA or the Android smartphones aba market doing so well. Arches on Saka bi oni be jumpa. Your Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4 you on 32 gig, and one is 64 gig and so on. The OPBA now run a camera. Ya man more megapixels. Say I'll trap pictures ni videos are beautiful ones and on sa ebetimi aka na ni nyina mu no long lasting batteries and so it's to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other apps no perfectly well to sa account there to say phone papa and wenya no but more dia eborum phone shop bi ebe mu bia also open the new Android Nokia Android smartphones ibi na on sa be account the call traffic light Georgia phones are Mrs. Obin sort you out come apart. Nokia, it just keeps getting better. I fake Gold TV. I'm also saying can't say big things are great, so men settle for small things. Ninja say Mount Sanka Gold TV what me I enjoy. The best football leagues on Super Sport. And they men's like Mount Sanka Gold TV full decoder. Full set no for only 109 Ghana cedis you will upgrade to Gold TV Max when you're the best in sports, best in entertainment, best in football leagues near Dinas. You are in La Liga now. We should be Philly on your TV, not just on Cortina Pub baby. I'll bet me I connect to our bro using my Gold TV app. Pay by the point and now any mobile money agent be or bell Gold TV. Leave it, love it. Ave kwame yen kam emre wie na fi menka de aka
we no na enipa amako 97 de kokuma de aduokono nson
97
yeah so minim de tukwa me buisa twi abra me titwi sin aduokono anson ana aye approach for answer kan bone ben no ne ye won bone ya ne se won de on nam akra ne important to do area mu ho and won bi on huni mu ho and on de nam mu no smart bi anya den emutu so ti when approach for se hwe enti fellow Ghanaians asa na dadie eja ni ko containing nkruma wo fie
want
ebe kasa kire mo say ube pia bonte a pe nose mask ni twi design ehwene boto
was a nose mask na
that be say nya twi di say it has come to stay. It has come to be with us enti omo nim twopani ajekum mu omo mpa twi di informa nose mask
e meye ohun obi ebo an emo ni
ehwene boto
obasa nose mask ye ko
ehwene sauce omo se ehwene sauce yi bi omo de nam tudu Rollins Park and important enti ampanifo se omo mra omo aso ye no ma kire omo de enti a His Excellency Ajana you Rebecca fear the river what you fear about my speech say you say no smarts no more the oma we ataso asin kete say enya dia on the person no smarts no it 1997 arrested for failing to wear nose mask.
Okay,
kwaku omo ye ni say ebeboa omo ntimi ntiri ye nyina omo ntiri kakra
omo chia
omo so chini kakra
obi uzi achini ni obese
omo ye wo tudu ne ho so nipa ho pa kwaku say onim tudu
den
Rollins Park o kan sa areas mu hono nipa hopa na ho se nipa do so ntino se obi ahwini si obi hwina no o namwa o pe wo mpe wo beka obi you cannot walk around Rollins Park without touching somebody. It is impossible.
Akwani ye na o say impunu do your country. All right, your friends.
It's no smarts no kwaku omo so ba me. I mean tia K for limited. Any me aba aye Ruby Azeman our Kellen Texas.
We are open. All right, your friends here na ye nto aso na 50th birthday. Enko Emma Mr. Godwin Kofi Okanse. Formerly of VRA Tema. May God bless you with good health and long life. From Kabuko, I hope I got it right. Olesu Ejay and the whole family, the rest of the Okanse family, they are all wishing you a happy 80th birthday. Agbame and then Afakudzi families omu nyina ka ho bi ena omo wish you happy 80th birthday Mr. Godwin Kofi Okanse nyame onhia pa aroji for my
video no can you send me the video we say no masa me data is mu nchobi ma me
enye fine such videos I am am share sir there be enye sir obi edaja because girl no kotope na ni bofu tu there be enye
ono so dia no so konfi drink ni bia ko wa konfi drink no sorry e bo se konfi drink no your friend Rita Nuakon Owatema Community 5 Rollins Quarters. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, and may the good Lord bless you. From your family members near Bushanfonina, they all wishing you a happy birthday. And Bakubin so Yemfa enum quickly Nafi Yem Mayimuso. Also, please wish my dearest wife, Mrs. Prisla Ofe Asamoah of Charity AG near the is it Assemblies of God? Maybe a happy birthday for me. In fact, she never misses a irrigated sport. Tell Kwame to sing a happy birthday song for her. Why? From the husband, Mr. Philip Ofe Asamoah of Legal Aid Commission, Ghana. I love her so much. Kwame. And to happy birthday. Horrible voice to man. Open Chinese man as Ghana.
Open brofo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you now. 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 Hip 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 hooray.
Malcolm Supermarket. Now they're bigger and better. Walk into any Malcolm Supermarket to have a wide range of products. Oba Malcolm one. Yeah, na de ohia nyina all your daily needs. Ubenya nyina under one roof. Terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shops. Once again, my main reminder say MTN said from the 2nd of April, you'll be required to present a valid national ID card anytime you are visiting Momo agent point. Be a soccer performing a transaction. Meaning say we near the Aboho Bank. Yes, Sabe a bit me across where receive cash. Now one handle transactions now in a safe and secure manner. That is why we are good together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. And they Easeway Savings and Loans say can't say reduce you rates loans no eso. Yes, Easeway Savings and Loans and my government employees a massive interest rate reduction on loans. So take advantage of our offer. Now what me access new loan and now what transfer or loan with other institutions to Easeway for a cheaper rate. Yes, you pay lower monthly installment. Now what mean extra money for other items. Commodian so be applies is here up to 100,000 Ghana cedis in just 45 minutes. For Easeway Savings and Loans is here on 050-160-5773 and now say 0244-914-171 or visit the nearest branch. Now any meeting come on. Terms and conditions apply. Easeway, fast and reliable. Bet you say and can't trust say no. You say sports and I say football and I'm out for any June. Other sporting activities are and also I'm out for interest wumpa and the same ye biumpa ye the casino games near the idea be bet games pina and they buy a platform so now from football to roulette to e-sport, from horse racing to yaka kahunina ubet me extra bet also. Now we need so you get paid instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. Visit www.betway.com.gh to play today and remember to bet responsibly. No under 18. Betway, for the love of the game. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Now, the woman say Nyame eya adomo from the 27th to the 29th of January. Yede Adom Live Worship Monthly Fasting and Prayer Festival no April. Our Gloryland Hotel or Doko Kaneshi Highway. So 5 p.m. each night be a Jakalolo Mijinemu, Celestine Donko, Minister Paulo, Francis Amo, Benny Zanzan, and then to 4 p.m. be passing through. Host no Sofo Kwame Naidan. Na this trip no theme ne that's not a covenant with the Lord. We patrol we are there and be basso live or Adom Live Worship so from 1:30 to 3 p.m. Na enumere na basso Gloryland Hotel or Doko 5 p.m. sharp. The trons afro say for hobeji bi na ye nimpa. Adom Live Worship. God will change your story. And then yabo pra come ya fana baby a. Ama yetimi ama mofra ni nyina akwanya. Omo a what tyrant ewo mumu. Omu na be dan edi. And they are so amaka ye dumienu 12. And na 12 no omo ahye competition ase ankasa. Me patche enstroma. Ewo ya Adom TV so. Na eviction na sha se ache se ebinum ekofie. Ye trons afro say every Sunday bia 5 p.m. Ewo Adom TV so. Tina TV no ho na ehwe enstroma dwumadie we any the only reality show that excites the country and generates interest in our own Ghanaian high life music through exceptional children. Ultimately, almost born want to say yes, more for you, more of them. So we are still on the journey to unearth marvelous singers. That should be no bit me. The competition is still long. So this and every Sunday, contestants no, they be trade them. Our thrilling performances come up. That will blow your mind. So make time on Adom TV this and every Sunday 5 p.m. sharp to enjoy beautiful performances from our contestants. And Soma, see Shrine, Adom TV, ya wazoye. And was Meka Royal Drinks are some chill. Mami saying cow beam say we no any drinks are any you want to flavors pee. say open Royal Apple, Cola, Orange, some Royal Cocktail, Crown so sound. Just a we know unya all the perfect flavors nina unyano. Efimo. So go on and feel the magic in your life. Our bro will enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks, also you go like them. They are available, shops are doing any name. 2 cities 50 pesos per. We are another quality product. If you Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door for 026 235 1251 and 027 213 3373. Happy birthday going out to my son Berima Edu Amwakon of Presec Legon, and then Bafo Edu Amwakon of Battery School. I hope I got the name right. Is it Battery School? May the good Lord bless and grant them good health. With ye Edu Amwakon. And then Nabusian and Chen, or they wish you more happy birthday. And then, and so, Makunta birthday, no kunta for me, you know. Hey. Okay, maybe my wife in the other corner, but me patch almost more worry, my sisters. No sisters too. Opinion no Nikunu, Mr. Brown, and then the birthday. So happy birthday to you, Mr. Brown. Or GRA, Ashanti area office, or Asokwa in Kumasi. Happy birthday to you. Or your wonderful man, say one fantastic man, Mr. Brown. Enjoy your birthday, boss. We are some share that banner. May action kakrania there. Oh, Bibia be fine. Gangnam Style. Nyame we shall na onton kwandem na Bibia so enye kama. Nindem na akonta waka no abon ba you na izidie. Kuru idie o ye idie. Enjoy your birthday, boss. And shouts going out to all Jerry Justice Executive Fan Club members. We are planning to go to Sao Tome in April. Oh boy, and it is someone with the air chrono. Aunt Joyce holding quite a problem. Madam Joyce obeying. Obey action in there. Bibia be fine. But show when you marry you. Go TV say big things are great. It means settle for small things. Ebe how it pedimu dru preko. Ti wo ji anu waju Go TV. Na nei watimi ahwede ekoso nyina. Football leagues papa ni na edwagu. Eweye Go TV eso. Serie A ne La Liga ni na obehwe bibia. Emuye eti kwajo de enslake. Fofofo utimi upgrade to Go TV Max. What I say? 109 Ghana cedis. Where decoder full set. Now we call anymore. Ubetimi connect to our brother using my Go TV app. Pay by the point. And now mobile money agent be a ben war. Now I sort you out. Come on. Go TV. Live it. Love it. Yantu aso. Yanku enim. Afidie no na me say on person be you. On person be wrong, but where they be wrong. African. Mon frère technical for no right now. Ese be come, me pesa ka bia ba pesa ye dum nephew. Me wrong. Aha, afidie aba.
Last week Now so this week omabusianie Ediena Sisa. As Lamte here say Go TV Max drop in price from 70 Ghana cedis to 60 Ghana cedis month. Biape, they didn't delay cra. Omoko upgrading one time. CCA yeah the sports, entertainment, kids shows, and in Yama Bebre, Abre Lamte Busiamo Munia Giabroso. Be like the Lamte family. Upgrade the Go TV Max CCA. Here 60 Ghana cedis. Now enjoy maximum entertainment for less. Cafe Dokra. Use the Go TV app no for connect to Go TV Max so. And I could pay by the point agent to be in your area for maximum entertainment. Offer valid from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T's and C's apply. Go TV. Love it.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browsing. Woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Giraso and is a Giraso. Check when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. NTG Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory. And now Nokia 2.4. They want 32 gig memory. And now 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 with 30 megapixel back camera. Then 5 megapixel front camera. And with 4,500 milliamps battery. 6.5 inch screen. And with Android 10. What to be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone ya. With full show BI bell.
Ghana nyumnina hadie ne boss.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Adom FM 106.3.
Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
This is Jim FM 106.3.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Vodafone some can't yourself. And they so you see Vodafone cash now. They send this scam will be your Vodafone cash where you're free and Joe charges be same way we use Vodafone cash now. They send it Sika Emma will be or any other network so I know so you're free. Yeah, Joshi. If you patch your stop, I will send this car other networks near to 2 baby, near to 2 charges baby Joe. You don't waste money, you know what I'm saying? Hop on to Vodafone right now. Dial *110# to send cash for free. Ready? And that's Miss V. Wait, baby. All right, I'm far away and killing and I ain't coffee. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You know I love this one, yeah? You bet it, rhythm of the gods. Ja lead on this one. Lonely.
Uh-huh. What's the mean gun? I am here.
I am going to come
I'm feeling lonely, me I go home in just a minute. Baby, I come and I'm feeling right. Me the young mama, why you not? I'm feeling lonely, me I go home in just a minute. Baby, I come and I'm feeling right. Me the young mama, why you not? Mama, why you fine? I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you. Love you. Yeah.
Let's go.
Although I'm in number 1 million, one for me call I say I got me wow. One woman me feeling insecure. Man say one gonna be I am Miss Happy one power before from. One in the net that I'm sorry. Would it be the last time you're fighting? No. Where you want take excuse for that me? Long time. Girl, you know I'm missing you. Right now, I'm I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely. I can't hold me just right. Baby, I can't remember what feeling right. I'm feeling lonely. I can't hold me just right. Baby, I can't remember what feeling right. What's in the car? I am here. From when I was you, I'm me best of you. Oh, yeah. Hello. I want them only one in them. Flowers are me, I'm me best of you. Oh, yeah. I'm feeling lonely. I can't go home in just tonight. Baby, I can't remember what feeling right. I'm feeling lonely, I can't go home in just tonight. Baby, I can't remember what feeling right. I'm feeling lonely, I can't go home in just tonight. Baby, I can't remember what feeling right.
All too soon is check out time, baby. Mami fire anyway, Emma Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group members Nina. You guys are lovely. Yeah. The whole group out team say, hey, I'm guys. What? All the beautiful, guys in there. Shouts to all of you, Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group members. More at it. It is the Gaia's group in town. Hey, they vibe, Papa. They vibe. No more the dom so pa. Honestly, yeah. I mean my cool. I mean, me obi oni me be out beside my catch show. And yes, every group beer that I'm on, one Shabeka say be a mini, but I they monitor things, I they observe things. You don't go see say I they chat, but I they see what they happen for their hands. So shouts to all of you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's check out time already. Yep. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on Adom 106.3 FM. God willing, we're back at it tomorrow with the midweek's edition of your own show. Abrochio Fondiano. You know what I'm saying? Until then, I said I can say on Koma Munina. Yamin Shama for your time with us. Station Koneshi Nana Muzuti. That's the deal. Also, come here, producers. Papa Bills, African, to Jamestown, J. Cole, and to Prince. It is a common answer for Gina Faye, Kwame Obade. And many thanks to the technical team, you know. In fact, engineers, no more, Jumapa, Mo, Gozo, Sule, and so by Clement, and so by Amunina, both now, in fact, you guys are wonderful guys. I didn't see why we say, yes, I a wonderful technical guys here, you. I can stage now, George, and everybody. Teach him my word, you my pa. I was your friend, Jerry Justice, as always. Assembly about Bush, and we are no watch, I know I say, it's not serious, you depend session. Thanks so much for your time with us, and do have a great evening. We out of here.